Hey friends, welcome to Premlata Speaks English. Today I'm going to help you speak professional English at work. Many people speak good English, but office English is different. It's a polite, respectful, and confident. Let's learn simple phrases you can start using today. Let's get started. Point 1. Polite professional phrases. Don't say, "What do you want?" Say, "How may I help you?" Don't say, "Send me the file." Say, "Could you please share the file?" Don't say, "Wait." Say, "Kindly wait a moment, please." Don't say, "I want leave." Say, "I would like to request leave." Speak calmly, slowly, and with confidence. Point number 2, email basics. Situation professional English. Instead of sending file, say, "Find the attachment." Instead of asking reply, say, "Looking forward to your response." Instead of requesting info, say, "Could you please confirm?" Ending emails, "Regards" or "Warm regards." Both you can say. Tip: short sentences look more professional. Point 3. Meeting phrases. Use these to sound confident in meetings. 1. May I add something? 2. I agree with you. 3. Could you repeat that, please? 4. I will take responsibility for this. These lines show confidence without aggression. Start small, replace one line every day. Your English will sound professional and confident. Step by step. Comment, speak confidently, and follow for more English for work. Thanks for being with me and paying attention. Bye bye, friends.